In this video, we are going to see about Ayurveda Darshana Nirupana. The topics we'll be covering are the fundamentals of Ayurveda Darshana, Darshana and its types. The topic Ayurveda as a unique and independent school of thought will be covered in the next part. The fundamentals of Ayurveda Darshana. Darshana means viewing something that is auspicious. The word Darshana is derived from drishyate, which means to see the facts pertaining to the universe. Darshanas are a collection of thoughts or doctrines by different sages through their intellectual sight and discussions to draw conclusions about creation. The Vedas and Vedangas are a part of Darshanas. Darshana is also called an instrument through which reality of the world is seen. Darshana, the vision of truth. Darshana gives the actual form of the object in terms of its past, present and future. Darshana includes visual perception and also the five senses, indriyas, manas, mind, buddhi, intelligence and atma, soul. The components of darshana are srishti, creation, sthiti vikasa, evolution, laya, involution, sukha, happiness, dukha, sorrow, raga, desire, vairagya, detachment, dharma, morality, adharma, immorality, aishwarya, richness, anaishwarya, poverty, jnana, knowledge and ajnana, ignorance, stavara, inanimate objects, jangama, animate objects, satya, truth and asatya. The shastras that tell about all these in darshanas are the Brahma Vidya, Atma Vidya, Chitta Vidya and Tarka Vidya. What are the uses of darshanas? Darshanas help us to see the truth about our problems. They help us to distinguish the good from bad. They help us to find solutions to our misery. And they help us to remove false knowledge. They help us to know the truth about creation and the absolute reality. They help us to know about Atma Vidya, that is the knowledge that our soul requires. And also Tattva Jnana and Veda Jnana helps us to move in the right path. Dukha Nivrithi, Moksha Prapthi. In this world there are three types of rogas, that is miseries. They are classified into Adhyatmika, Adidevika and Adibhautika. Adhyatmika rogas are of two types. They are Sharirika, that is in the body, and Manasika, that's in the mind. Sharirika rogas are caused by the vitiation of doshas, that is Vata dosha, Pitta dosha and Kapha dosha. And Sharirika rogas can be cured through doshahara chikitsa. Manasika rogas are caused by the increase in Rajo and Tamoguna. As you know, the mind can be of three types, right? Sattvaguna, Rajoguna and Tamoguna. Sattvaguna is considered to be good. Rajoguna and Tamoguna can create problems in the mind. And these can be cured through ahara and vihara, that is, through food and through our activities. Adidaivika roga is caused by kala or supernatural forces, and these can be cured through yajna, sacrifices, dana, donation and japa, chanting. Adibhautika roga. These are caused by organisms. For example, infections caused by bacteria. And these can be cured by eliminating the causative agents. Darshanas and Ayurveda. How are Darshanas and Ayurveda similar? Both Darshanas and Ayurveda tell us about three factors, that are Atma, Manas and Indriya. Both of them help us to relieve the Trivida Dukha. That is, just as we saw, Adhyatmika, Adidevika and Adibhautika rogas. They help us to reach salvation, that is liberation. They both tell us about Shat Padartha of Vaisheshika. We'll be seeing about this in detail in the upcoming videos. They also follow Anumana Pramana, that is interpretation and analysis. They talk about Karma Phala, and they also agree upon lifestyle principles that are set in Darshanas like Jain and Bauddha Darshana. Both Darshanas and Ayurveda have developed simultaneously, and hence they are said to be interlinked. Now, Darshanas are classified into two types, Astika and Nastika. Astika is mainly said to be Darshanas in which they believe the existence of God, and Nastika does not believe in the existence of God. The Astika Darshanas are Vaisheshika, Nyaya, Sankhya, Yoga, Purva Mimamsa, Uttara Mimamsa or Vedanta. And the Nastika Darshanas are Charvaka, Jaina and Bauddha. These are important topics, so we'll be seeing them in detail in the next video.